So this one we are using because of if you want to be a check to the one test case. Okay, now let's go. Now simple. Right now, focus properly. Yeah. Without my help, you need to be apply that. I want to check that how many people can you properly remember. Now, simple. This is exactly we need to do. What exactly we need to do? See over here. I am going to the Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse. I am open. Already, all steps are already inside of your, in your PPT. Okay, so let me open that. It's take a little bit time to the open your Eclipse. Okay, after that workspace, we need to choose launch. Okay, now you can see how the different projects are available. What happened? I want to be a start with totally from scratch, going to the files, after that new, and I'm making to the Java project. Okay, so Java project I want to make. For that purpose, I want to give to the my this project name is the project. What is exactly my number is going on 10. Okay, so project 10, no space, no nothing. Don't be change anything, don't add over here create module. Okay, just leave as it is, don't click over there. You can click on the next and after that finish. Okay, now let me check my project is over here. Let me see inside of that everything are there. Okay, it's everything is over here. Okay, now simple. I want to make my main method file. Okay, right click on your src. After that, click on new and say I want to be a class file inside of that. Okay, let me click over here class file. Okay, when you click on the class file, use to the class file name. Suppose I already put it over here. I want to make to the JUnit project class file. Okay, so okay, main method is not mandatory. Okay, see over here, main method is not mandatory, so I'm not writing to the, I'm not clicking over here in the main method. Okay, I am not clicking on the main method. Main method when we are using, when we want to run to the main program, but over here we are not running your full program, we are just checking to the unit wise. So I am not clicking on to the main method. Let me unclick that. Okay, and I'm just writing to the JUnit project as my class name, JUnit. Obviously J is the capital, JUnit, and P is the capital. Okay, project. Done. JUnit project. Public none. Okay, after that, and don't click anywhere, just say to the finish. Okay, over here my JUnit project.java is created. Now after later, see properly what exactly thing we need to do. Before we are writing to the code, we need to be install your libraries. Libraries are help us to work that framework. Okay, which one we called as a JUnit is we have the framework now that will be a help our library. So how we can download sir that, how exactly to do that? Simply we do not need to download anything, everything we have, just we need to implement that. So how we can implement? See over here, this is my project number 10. Okay, which one I'm right now using. We need to be a close this thing. Okay, see I'm closing. Okay, closing these things. Okay, so you can understand my src is over here. Now where is your project folder? Click on there. After that, we need to right click on your project. Okay, then after later, see over here we have the two ways we can go to the libraries. First is we have to the properties. Okay, see over here, when we are clicking on the properties, we can go to the over here, and after that properties, see over here we have to the java build path. Are you getting? When you are clicking on the Java build path, over here we have a library section are available, where we have over here. Let me tell you that again how we can reach over there. Just click on your project number 10, right click. After that, where we have to the property section. When you going to the property, maybe somewhere it's clicked. Okay, so we need to go to the where a Java build path. Okay, Java build path we need to go, and after later where the libraries. Okay, and another way we have that is called, simply go back again to the project, right click, and after that see direct option we have what, build path. Okay, you can go anywhere, it doesn't matter. After if you can click into the build path, configure build path, so same window will be open and we can directly jump to the java build path. Okay, now after when we are going to the Java build path, we have to the option over here that is called, okay, whenever you are adding to the library, don't add to the module path. No, module path is different. Module path means what, how exactly your Java code is running. So we don't want to be add over there. We need to add where is our class path, because what happen inside we need to be a check our units, right? So where is that class path? First click properly on the class path, and after see over here we have to the option add library. Okay, now click over here add library and see everything is over there. Just see we have to the JRE system library also, all units are there. Which one is not implement? So we need to implement JUnit. Okay, click over here and just say next and finish. Now see extra a library are installed over here, means framework are added over here. So you can check properly, it should be the added over here inside of your class path. Okay, and after later you can say that apply and properly close. Okay, so when you're saying close, you can see right now I have to the JUnit properly inside of my the inside of the project 10. Are you getting? So right now it's apply. Now, after when you done that, what happened? We need to write the code. Okay, so let's check that how we can test that. Over here, I already provide you code. Import section you can put after later whenever you are starting to the writing a code. Automatically import section we can do that, right? Using by to the you can take your mouse and after that, let me show you directly. Okay, so first I want to be write annotation and the test. Okay, at the rate annotation done, and that annotation is the test. Okay, done. After later when you putting this one, we need to go to the over here, click over there in the cross, and what happen, why it's not clicked? Okay, annotation test. Okay, let's to continue full code. I think so. After later it will be work. Okay. Now after that, I'm creating inside of that one another public class. Okay, public void inside of that test unit. Okay, this is the test underscore unit. Okay, test unit. U is the capital. Okay, they are using JUnit, no problem. So we can also use to the JUnit. Okay, and after that I want to be a create over here my method name, and after that curly bracket open and curly bracket close. Sir, this one is the mandatory, we need to write to the test JUnit. No guys, it's not a mandatory, it's just your method name whatever we are writing. Okay, we can write anything, it doesn't matter. Okay, for only the thing is what we need to do unit testing. That's why I wrote over here test underscore JUnit testing we are doing. After later, when you're writing that, automatically you can go over here and say that I want to be a import my test org.junit. This is the library, because what happened, we are installing to the libraries, right? When we want to use that, we need to say that import means we need to use that libraries. Okay, so have you put it that import org.junit.test means you are right now doing to the JUnit testing whatever you have inside of this. Okay, have you got it that? Now we are going inside of that, and just what happened, whatever you want to be at, suppose I want to be a write one sentence, system.out.println, perfect, right? And I want to be a say that inside of something word that is called maybe the Rohit Kadam. Okay, I'm not taking any big name, something I have to do Rohit Kadam. Now simple, what happened over here? I want to be a create one string. Okay, obviously this is a string data type, and I'm saying over here that string I have the box one. Okay, I'm keeping inside of this box. Okay, so box inside what exactly I have inside of this box that name is Rohit Kadam. Okay, after use your string, use your colon, and now only the thing is we need to apply over here assert dot assert dot no, oh no dot. Okay, assert e is the capital is important, equal, right? Assert equals. Okay, not equal, it's equals. Okay, equals, let me check everything is right. Yes, perfect. Okay, assert equals inside of the bracket we need to write what exactly we need to test. So I want to be a test this one, Rohit Kadam, right? Now after that use over here